the pricing of oil is obscuring everything that you're talking about. How do you resolve the challenge we have right now in the price of oil? That's the economy, the market. It's not going to be able to recover unless we see some relief, and relief that we can believe is a long-term solution for oil.
Here's how you fix that problem. It was a policy mistake by Biden when he came in. You reverse the mistake. All you have to do is jawbone. The oil market's a futures market. Just announced you're going to license 3 new refineries on the East Coast. Also announced we're going to re-examine the XL pipeline. We're going to give back the leases in ANWR. We're going to give more carbon direction to understand what the costs are. All of those policy mistakes could be reversed by just getting up and jawboning it. You could take oil down below $100 if you got more accommodative towards the future production.
Yeah.
Now, Biden may not do that. That's on him, and he'll pay dearly for that in the midterms.
I have a bridge.